Hello, Superuser. Just a quick update about how things are going and what to expect in the future. It just happened to be that this update corresponded with passing 100 subscribers a couple weeks ago. So thank you for that, especially since I've never really actually advertised this YouTube channel at all. It's just grown naturally, which means obviously you guys are finding this helpful, and I honestly appreciate that you guys keep coming back to watch it. So yeah, we passed 100 subscribers, and so just along those lines, I just had a couple random thoughts that of what we could do in the future when we press more arbitrary subscriber milestones. So for instance, let's say, why not, if we get up to 500 subscribers, I'll give you a breakdown of my current setup of this is what software I use, this is what plugins I use, this is how I do things, this is basically what I do on a daily basis whenever I'm working with Finale to really expedite my workflow and get much better results. I'll show you, these are the details of like my default parts and document styles and things. That way you can just hit the ground rolling, getting really fast and really good results. Next, at 1,000 subscribers, I will show you through my entire scoring parts preparation process, which is, albeit not as rigorous as many professionals would do, but it's a process I found that can get like an entire 5 or 6 minute orchestra score done with like an hour, hour and a half of work, and basically look flawless. Yes, there are definitely things you can do to make it better, but it's an incredibly efficient process, a process that used to take me upwards of like 7 to 8 hours per piece, if not more, just to get perfect. And now I can do it in like an hour and a half with even better results than I used to do. And the next thing, at like 5,000 subscribers, why not? Let's just do a live Q&A. It's like, I'm sure I can figure out how to do that at that point, or just like ask me literally any question you want, and if I have the answer, I will answer it. If not, I will point you in a direction to get the answer. Because one of the reasons why I started this channel is that I keep learning new things about Finale every day, and I just want to be able to share that all with you. That way you can have the knowledge that I'm getting. So then, quick apology, as you might have noticed that I haven't really been posting videos all that much for the past month. That's for a couple reasons. Number one, I record these videos in batches. I am still a college student, and so I have been recording these videos during the breaks and just uploading them during the actual quarter. So like right now, I just finished spring break, so I just finished recording all the videos up until mid-June. And so there's that. The second thing is, as I was getting towards the middle of the quarter, I didn't have enough time to edit all the longer videos, so I got through all the shorter videos, but not all the longer videos, and longer videos can take, like even just a 3 to 5 minute video on this channel, can take somewhere between half an hour and a full hour just to edit each one. And that was just more time than I was having, given that I am a double major and taking way more units than you need to, and also actively working out in the real world, as people would call it. And secondly, I actually did not have as many videos as I was expecting, because looking back and wanting to edit them, there were just some videos that were just completely not helpful, so I decided, let's just not even post them. However, there are many things in the work for the future. For instance, in the most recent batch of videos that I just recorded, 2 of them are video topics that people just like you asked for in the comments below. So yes, I really do read every single comment, and if you ask for something and I know how to do it, I will make a video about it. And so yeah, they will get those. And so like in the next couple weeks, we'll finally have videos that answer questions that you guys brought up. Second thing, I am planning, hopefully in the summer, to do an entire like 10 to 15 part series about exactly this is how you use JW Lua, all the way from the ground up of, let's assume you have no idea how to install a plugin and no idea how to code, all the way up until building your own fully functioning JW Lua scripts to optimize your own personal process. And furthermore, I'm hoping to get this video series to be in conjunction with the UpNote blog, which I've written a couple times and I've referenced on this channel. And then the last thing is, I do have videos all the way recorded up until mid-June, so we shouldn't have to worry about any more weeks where I'm missing content. The next and final thing is that I am basically redoing my Patreon site, which is just sitting there, absolutely completely empty. The reason for this is that I think would be really helpful for all of you if we actually got like someone that knows what they're doing to actually edit these videos, because right now it's just me and I am not a professional editor. Plus, it takes my time. So the first thing is, if I get enough funding on there, all that money will just go into someone editing these videos. That'll also allow for much better consistency in uploads. Maybe even getting to like 2 or 3 videos a week if we have someone else editing it. Next thing I think would be really cool, if I get someone who actually knows the YouTube platform well to optimize all the descriptions and the tags and the video things and the thumbnails. Just that way it's a lot more presentable, and that way you actually know what you're going to be learning in the video rather than just having a not so great thumbnail with a somewhat descriptive title. Again, just to help you guys out knowing what you're going to get before you click on it. And finally, I want to expand it to new projects that are going to help you all out just outside of this YouTube channel. All the money that we'll get on Patreon will actually go directly back into creating resources to help you guys. Because I personally believe that all these resources should be out there for free for you, but if you want to help me help you get more content, that is a great way of doing it. So that is it for today's update. Next Monday, you should start getting videos about how to use Finale back to normal on our normal schedule. So again, thank you all for watching these videos. I really do appreciate it. And I'm also glad that these videos are helping a lot of you out. And so we're just going to keep making more of them. Yeah, and they must really be helping because, again, we got 200 subscribers in. And I've done pretty much nothing to promote this channel, so obviously it's helping. So if you find these videos that I'm making at all helpful, be sure to spread them to your friend. That way we can get more subscribers faster. And if you want to see more videos, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.